Are you a fan of a Big Mac? Well, then you're just gonna love this Big Mac pasta salad. Let's make it. I've started by cooking up some hamburger patties that I'm gonna chop up and let cool. I've cooked, cooled, and drained some macaroni. Dump that in a big bowl. Put that chopped up meat in the bowl. A chopped tomato, a chopped sweet onion, a couple cups of shredded lettuce, a quarter cup of sweet relish, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. For the sauce, we're making a copycat Big Mac sauce. Start with a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter cup creamy French dressing, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, a teaspoon of white vinegar, a shake of onion powder, shake of salt. Mix that all together. Pour that on top and toss it all together gently. When ready to serve, mix in some croutons. Big Mac pasta salad. Wow. It's just like the burger. How does a hamburger introduce his wife? Meet Patty.